So I get a lot of people commenting and questioning about, do I get attached to the horses when they come in for training? And this is Bob. I am pretty attached to him. And I do get somewhat attached, but it's probably not in the way a lot of people think about it. Like when I get a horse in for training, I am definitely attached to the horse, connected with the horse, but I'm not really sad to see the horse go. All along, the purpose of what I do is for the horse to learn to be better and move along. So that's what the plan is all along. So as far as to like get attached and not want it to leave, that doesn't really happen. You can't own them all. A lot of them I wouldn't want to own even though I'm attached, because they just don't fit into what I like to do. I like to show cow horses and reining horses, and he's bred to do that. He hasn't been for 15 years. Now we're on the track for that. And when he was younger and I had him in training, I owned him then, and I sold him because he wasn't going to make what I wanted. And I was attached to him then, even like I am now. But I'm pretty practical about everything. They have to fit in with what I want out of the relationship. And it is a relationship. And just like your relationship with your horse or your relationship with other people, it has to go both ways. You put something in the relationship, you get something out of the relationship. And I was attached to him when I had him before, but I wasn't getting out of the relationship what I wanted, and that's why I sold him. I got him back because I knew how good a lesson horse he was, because I needed a lesson horse at the time, and that's why I got him back and started trying to help him with his condition that contributed to him not showing. So he's one of the ones that I am pretty attached to. But it's kind of like, I guess you would say, a teacher at a school. They get attached to their students and sometimes really connected with them, and the kids are special to them, but it's not like they want to adopt a student. They're really invested in how the student goes in the future, and they want their student to have a good life in the future and do what they can. And that's kind of how my relationship is with most horses, with the horses that come in for training. Let this run a minute and warm up. So as far as getting attached, I do, but not like attached like I would want to own the horse. It's more like a school teacher wanting to make the child as good as they can be, and then the child moving on to have their life. That's how I am with most of the horses in training. I want the horse to be as good as it can be and then go on to have a good life with his owner. So this is Bob. I just got done riding him. I'm going to rinse him off a little bit. He's a little sweaty. I'll put a link up here to the other videos I've done of him, and I'm also going to put a link. I have this series, Wash Rack Wisdom, that comes out on Wednesdays, but we just kind of talk about some general things, and I'll put a link up here to those. It's a lot of horse training theory and a lot of horse, how you interact with your horse. So I'll put that link up here also. Until next time, thank you for watching.